Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first video that you're coming across with me, I'm Britt K here, and today we are going to be doing individuals. This will be a men hairstyle, so these are going to be individual with no added hair. So just keep watching and look at my process. I will be adding my voiceover into certain parts just so y'all can know my technique and why I do things, okay? Okay, so right here I'm just parting off my rows, and the rows sections just depends on how big your client wants their braids or their parts. So my client wanted small to medium parts and braids. So here I'm going to part off every section first just to make sure every section is even and how I like them before I start actually braiding. So actually right here I'm going over the part with my gel and then reparting it. This will help you define your parts. If you want to define your parts, you have to go over the part with the gel and part back over the gel. It will make it look so much more sleek and so much more like neat. Y'all, I just re-listened to my audio and I don't know why I just kept saying actually and repeating myself, but I just want y'all to understand that you have to go back over the part, okay, with the gel, just to make it look more sleek and neat. Alright, that's all. Okay, so you can see at the top I put two ponytails. So the top part is what's going to be the front section. So usually I part my client's hair down the middle, and then I actually fake off about four braids just so it could look natural, or three or four braids to see how many I'm going to put up front, and then I part from there, from ear to ear. And then I finish off my sections and part them out. And then now I'm just starting off my braiding. And this will actually make me move so much faster because I pre-parted everything. And all I got to do is really just braid. Okay, you guys, this is the last thing that I'm going to say in this video, okay? And then I'm going to let y'all just enjoy the rest. So after I detangled my section, like my row that I'm doing, I also pre-part each braid off before I start braiding them down in the section. This helps me know how many braids I will be doing in that row, and like it just give me an idea of making each braid the same size basically. And so yeah, that's it. Okay, you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.